Hello everyone. This is Benedict, Department of English from Kausanar College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about the subject English for Enrichment 3 for second year students. Unit 2 consists of two one-act plays. Now let's discuss about the second play, The Rising of the Moon by Lady Gregory. Okay. It is a political play written in the background of the Irish War of Independence, right? Now, let's see a short review about the author. This slide shows the biography of the author. Isabella Augusta was an Irish dramatist and folklorist. She married Sir William Henry Gregory. So, we lovingly call her Lady Gregory, right? Next, let's see the characters in this play. First, the sergeant. The sergeant is an officer with a middle position in the police force. Next, two policemen. Then, the ragged man. That means a man in old clothes. He is none other than the escaped prisoner and the rescuers. Okay. Now let's move on to the summary of The Rising of the Moon. The time of the story happening is when the Irish country is ruled by England. The story takes place at night at an Irish quay by the sea. Quay means a platform at the edge of the sea where ships and boats can be tied up and load and unload cargo. Okay. Here we see a sergeant and two policemen engaged in pasting the posters. The poster contains the information about identity of the escaped criminal and also a reward of £100 if anyone helps to catch him. That place is the suitable place for anyone to escape by a boat. Okay. The sergeant orders them to paste the posters on the prominent places. Is it clear? Next, at that time, a man in rags comes there. He introduces himself as a poor ballad singer, and his name is Jimmy Walls. He says that he has come to sell his ballads to the sailors. When he tries to enter into the water, the sergeant stops him. At that moment, he starts singing a song about a rich farmer's daughter who fell in love with a soldier. But the sergeant strictly orders him to leave that place, right? When he is about to leave that place, he looks into the poster and he pretends that he knows that person very well. The sergeant asks him not to leave and ask him to come back. Jimmy tells that the man is very dangerous. He explains about some past incidents. Got it? As the conversation is going on, they both sit back to back on the barrel. And they both keep an eye on the water. They start smoking. The sergeant explains that the police work is dangerous, especially for the family man, because they spend long hours on dangerous mission. Then the man sings a song about the beautiful Irish country. The sergeant asks him to stop singing, but the man says that he wants to sing to keep up his spirit and asks his permission. The sergeant allows him to sing. Okay? Next he begins to sing a nationalistic ballad about a legend oppressed old Irish woman named Granville. While singing, he makes some mistakes. but the sergeant corrects it and reveals his knowledge of rebel song. The man wants to know about the younger days of sergeant. The sergeant explains that he used to sing these kinds of songs in his younger days. The man understood his patriotism. The man tells him the escaped prisoner might have been one of his friends. The sergeant agrees. Is it clear? At that moment, the sergeant noticed the sound of boat in the water. He suspects that the rescuers arrived. The man sings a signal song to his friends. The sergeant asks him to stop singing. He hears whistle from his friends. He removes his hat and wig and reveals that he is an escaped prisoner. The sergeant threatens to arrest him because he has to do his duty. Okay? The man requests him not to do so. On hearing the sound, other policemen approach. He hides behind the barrel. As the policemen come near, the sergeant hides the hat and wig. The sergeant says that nobody is here except him, and he does not need their company, and orders them to go away at once. When they offer a lantern, he denied. As they go away, the man comes back and thanks the sergeant for saving him. Is it clear? He tells him that he may be able to favor him when the island becomes free. Then he slides into the boat. The rising of the moon is a symbol of Irish independence. Now the sergeant is left alone. At that moment, he reads the poster and wonders whether he is a fool to give up the reward. Okay? So, from this story, we understand patriotism as the power to unite people of nation. Thank you, students.